Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
If you guys have an Opel or a Chevy with a 1.8 engine, guys, and you're trying to find how to test your purge valve, I think it will even work on the 1.4. Stay with us and we'll show you guys how to do that. That purge valve, according to the catalog, it fits on all these vehicles, Opel and Chevy. Now, as you know guys, Chevy Cruze and Opel, they use the same 1.8 EcoTech engine. So as you know guys, this engine is developed by Opel and Chevy together, so they install it on many Opel vehicles and many as well Chevy vehicles. So this is the 1.8 and this right here guys is the purge valve. Okay, you can see this purge valve, so we'll show you guys how to test it now. So what we'll do, we'll show you guys how to remove it quick and how to test it. Now one thing I'll do, I wouldn't recommend to do it, and stay with us until the end to see what you shouldn't do. So just press down, pull out. Now that red thing here guys, it has two teeth on the bottom. We need to spread them and push them up. Okay, and then pull it out. Okay, you can see, okay, those are the teeth right here, the ones that we spread and pull up. This thing right here, we need to push in. Disconnected. Now I can grab it and pull it out. This is guys the purge valve. Now we'll show you guys how to test it. All you need for the test, okay, let me explain now, is, okay, you're going to need two alligator clips. Okay, those are alligator clips. And this thing has two wires, so I'm going to connect the alligator clips, one alligator clips to each of the wire. Okay, now don't do what I do guys, okay, you can see that arrow here. So you can see guys, this arrow right here, if I blow this way, okay, it will be closed now. I don't have that thing connected to the battery. But do not bite it guys, do not put that thing in the mouth like I do, because okay, it could be contaminated, gas, vapors and all that stuff, gasoline, so you don't want that to breathe that in. So listen now, nothing. Now, what I'll do guys, I'm going to connect it to the 12 volt battery, okay, one at a time. And when I touch this one, okay, listen now what's going to happen. Listen. Every time I touch it to the battery, it opens. Now I'm going to blow air while I have it closed, and then I'll touch it to the battery, one of the cables, to make connection, and you listen what will happen now. So when it opens, when you have connection with the battery, the air will flow through the valve. When you don't have connection, it's closed. If it's closed all the time guys, okay, it means it's a bad valve. Okay, if it opens and the air moves freely, then you're ready to go. So that's how you guys test it. Thank you for watching guys.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.